Easy Lift Equipment's Eagle Grip attachments are designed to handle a wide range of drum handling applications, including gripping, lifting, and transporting drums. Easy Lift Equipment is proud to now offer the ability to remotely clamp and rotate drums as well. With our new EG2000RCR Eagle Grip powered drum dumper lift truck attachment seen here. The EG2000RCR is a self-powered lift truck attachment which allows the operator to remotely manipulate drums from most lift trucks without the need for additional equipment or having to dismount the lift truck while clamping, lifting, and rotating a drum. It offers the ability to clamp and rotate 18 to 28-inch diameter steel, plastic, or fiber drums 360 degrees endlessly, either left or right. The clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The maximum lifting capacity of the EG2000RCR is 2,000 pounds. However, the actual capacity and lift height may be limited by the specifications of your lift truck. Prior to using the EG2000RCR, the operator should verify their lift truck capacity. Always follow the lift truck manufacturer's specifications while using the EG2000RCR. Before using the Eagle Grip powered drum dumper, the operator should perform a visual inspection of the attachment, including the safety chain or quick claw, all the hydraulic lines and fittings, as well as the clamping jaws and hydraulics, the control box, the coiled cord, the battery discharge indicator, pressure gauge, and key switch, as well as the fork pockets to check for any damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To operate the equipment, carefully maneuver the lift truck forks into the attachment's fork pockets. The standard EG2000RCR with safety chain has 38-inch fork pockets, while the EG2000RCR with quick claw has 43-inch fork pockets. The load center will vary based on the length of your lift truck forks. Once fully inserted, raise the attachment slightly off the ground. For units with a safety chain, it is imperative to fasten the safety chain to the lift truck fork carriage prior to proceeding. Failure to do so could result in the attachment inadvertently sliding off the forks and causing property damage or serious personal injury. Next, it will be required to carefully feed the EG2000RCR control box onto the operator cab of your lift truck. The EG2000RCR control box has a magnetic back, which allows the operator to mount the control box in a convenient location within the cab. It is recommended to place the control box in a location that can be easily reached by the operator. Insert the supplied key and turn the unit on. In addition to the key switch, the EG2000RCR includes a charging plug, battery discharge indicator with clock, and a clamping pressure gauge. Once the lift forks have been fully inserted into the attachment fork pockets, the safety chain has been properly secured, and the remote control box has been properly placed within the cab of your lift truck, you're ready to use your Eagle Grip attachment. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all control functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the magnetic-backed remote control box, which provides the operator with remote rotation and clamping functions, including switches for a continuous 360-degree endless side rotation either left or right, as well as clamp open and clamp close. The magnetic-backed control box also includes a red safety switch for the clamp function to help prevent accidental release of an elevated load. When charging is required, ensure that the Eagle Grip attachment is turned off and the key removed. Then, plug a polarized heavy gauge extension cord into the built-in receptacle on the side of the Eagle Grip attachment. Once the extension cord has been plugged into the built-in receptacle, connect the other end of the extension cord to a nearby wall outlet. See the manual for specifics of the charging process. Once the polarized heavy gauge extension cord has been properly plugged in, the charger will cycle through the self-test mode. The batteries will generally require equal charging to work time. It is recommended to keep the charger plugged in to maintain a full battery level when the unit is not being used. The multi-stage charging process is complete when both the mode LED as well as all 5 completion status LEDs are illuminated green. The charger's dual-mode battery status features separate indicators for each battery, which should also both turn green once complete to ensure a full charge for both batteries. This Eagle Grip attachment includes two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries, which are housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, key switch, clamping pressure gauge, and a battery discharge indicator. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. Once the equipment is fully charged, unplug the extension cord, insert the key, and turn the attachment on to begin application. Refer to the internal charger manual for more charging details. For more sensitive plastic or fiber drums, the clamping force can be regulated with the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve can be found within the DC box, seen highlighted here. Adjusting the pressure relief valve clockwise increases the pressure exerted onto the drum, while rotating the valve counterclockwise decreases pressure exerted onto the drum. Please refer to the manual for more details regarding the pressure relief valve. The design of the EG2000RCR allows operators to pick and place drums from the corner of a pallet. When approaching a drum from the corner of a pallet, first open the clamp. Then, using the lift truck controls, raise or lower the clamp so it is in line with the vertical center of the drum, or aligned with the 2 center ribs. Once the clamp has been opened and fully aligned, drive the attachment forward to clamp the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure when closing the clamp so that the operator-facing side of the drum makes full contact with the back pad of the clamp. This will help ensure a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. When the attachment is in position for dispensing or you plan to dismount from the lift truck, always follow the proper lift truck procedures and ensure that the safety brake is fully engaged prior to exiting the lift truck. Failure to do so could inadvertently cause property damage or serious personal injury. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. Raise the drum by using the up controls on your lift truck. The EG2000RCR clamp rotates 360 degrees endlessly at a controlled speed, either left or right, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, hopper, or another drum. When dispensing, never leave the lift truck or attachment unattended. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by pressing the rotate switch on the remote control box. Lower the drum by using the down controls of your lift truck. All EG2000RCR attachments come with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Replace the drum's lid or bungs accordingly. The Quick Claw option is also available, which eliminates the need for a safety chain. The cam locks of the Quick Claw prevent the attachment from sliding off the forks even when making abrupt stops with a fully loaded drum. This safety feature helps prevent accidents and work-related injuries. powered drum dumper lift truck attachments with the optional quick claw feature allows for easier detachment from the lift truck forks. Once the attachment is set down onto the floor, the cams spin, releasing from the forks, allowing the operator to freely back out the lift truck. Use the lift and lower controls of your lift truck to place the drum back onto the pallet. Then, using the control box, slowly open the clamping jaws while backing the lift truck out. When finished, you should always place your EG2000RCR in a safe location. Close the clamp, remove the remote control box, turn the unit off, remove the key, disconnect the safety chain, and set the attachment down. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.